Hey guys, we'll start with this quote. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. I like that one as well. Let's go ahead. This is page 4, and this is kind of tricky. I don't want to say tricky, confusing because of the terminology that they use on this particular page. So, I am used to using terms such as expanded form, word form, and standard form on how to write numbers. This particular page, they say number name, and that's the same as word form. And when you see base 10 form, that is the same as standard form. Okay, so we're going to start with number 1 on the page, and this is a number written in standard form, and they ask you to write it in expanded form. So we're going to write it 2 different ways. Okay, so expanded form, I've seen expanded form written different ways, but I always like to break it down and just start from the left and see what place value that number is in and write the value of that number. So this 3 is in the thousands place, so it is worth 3,000. Plus the 5, which is in the hundreds place, it's worth 500. The 6, which is in the tens place, makes it worth 60. The 2's in the ones place, so that makes it worth 2. Okay, now we're going into decimal territory. So the 6 is in the tenths place. It is worth, we write it like so, 6 tenths. The 5 is in the hundredths place. We write it as 5 hundredths. The 3 is in the thousandths place. We write it as 3 thousandths. Okay, so we're going to move on and look at how you would write this in expanded form in the fraction format. So the first 4 digits are going to stay the same, 3,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 2. And when you get to the 6 and the tenths place, we would write 6 tenths like so, 6 over 10. The 5 is in the hundredths place. It would be written as 5 over 100. And then the 3, which is in the thousandths place, would be written as 3 over 1,000. So I just wanted to use this to kind of clear up what these terms mean. Once again, number name is another way of saying word form. Base 10 form is the same as standard form.